We are obsessed with beef tallow in this household. My husband loves cooking with it, and I do have one cream that I use, but this one here is the beef tallow, and it also has honey, which is awesome. And this one is meant for face and body, which I think is really cool because a few of the ones that I've seen are either face or body. So the fact that this is both, I think is awesome. Checking out the back, so it's 100% grass-fed beef tallow. And of course, there's honey in here. There's also vitamin E. There's aloe in here. There is what else did I see that really caught my eye? Oh, there's also lavender in here, which is really good. So we're gonna try it. I have extremely sensitive skin, so I'm just gonna be putting a little bit on my cheek. I'm gonna rub it in. Normally, if I put something on my face that my body does not like, right away my face starts to go like really red and I get itchy. So, you know, it might be a little dangerous game we're trying, but I'm excited to see, and because I always love to test and find new products because I just know how fantastic beef tallow is. So I definitely think it's worth it. So love when they have the little like thing like this at the top, just so it's not gonna leak everywhere. This is what it looks like. Ooh, it kind of looks like the like whipped tallow. Let's give it a smell. Like not like a super strong smell. So for someone like me, that is perfect. I am getting a little hint. Is it lavender? I mean, it's in there, I know it is, but okay. So the directions do say just to take a small amount and you're gonna wanna put it in. So I am just doing a little bit. Let's see how it goes on my skin. See how it feels. It goes in really well. I don't feel super oily. Again, it's only been a couple of seconds, but it like sucked right into my skin. I know that I have dry skin. It's just because it's too sensitive to put a lot of things on there. Not flaring up. It's not red. I'm not feeling any itchiness because honestly, it happens within seconds. Oh, and it feels so soft. Definitely can feel the difference between the two sides. It feels good. I love the way that it just kind of sucks in right away. Doesn't feel like I'm greasy or oily or anything like that. I'm super pumped to start adding this to my daily routine. It feels fantastic.